Hello, good day. Today I will be presenting my research titled Impact of Deployment Topology on the Performance Trade-off between IRS versus Decode and Forward Relay in Wireless Communication Systems. This study investigates how the placement of intermediate communication nodes influences the comparative performance of IRS, or what we call the Intelligent Reflecting Surfaces, and the DF relay technology. Specifically, it examines whether deployment geometry can significantly affect power efficiency, achieve performance, and overall system behavior. As you can see in your screen, here is the graphical abstract image about my research. Before anything else, let me proceed first in the biographies of the authors. This research was proposed by myself, Marvin A. Montero, collected and prepared the data, while Dr. Aaron Don M. Afriga is the supervise the review of the data. And then myself again, Marvin Guantero, wrote the manuscript, and Dr. Africa suggested improvements, and all authors approved final version of this study. Okay, in terms of the introduction and motivation of the paper, wireless communication systems continue to evolve to support increasing demand of higher throughput, improved coverage, and better energy efficiency. Two promising technologies that help achieve these goals are the IRS and the DF relay. Let's define first what is IRS. IRS is a passive beamforming that has a low power. It is a passive device composed of many reflecting elements. As you can see here, these are the elements that intelligently manipulate wireless signals through phase adjustment. In contrast, the DF relay is an active decode and retransmits. A DF relay is an active device that receives, decode, and retransmit information. Many previous studies have focused on comparing this technology under fixed deployment scenario. However, in practice, where we place this device may significantly affect the performance. This observation served as the primary motivation of this research. What I put here is this question. This is the research question. Does deployment location change which technology is better? In terms of the problem statement and the research gap, previous work, particularly the study of by Bjorson, as you can see here, this is a paper of Bjorson titled the IRS versus the VF relay, how large surfaces are needed to beat relay. It demonstrated that IRS with approximately 77 reflecting elements can outperform a single antenna under specific deployment configuration. Existing IRS or DF study uses a fixed node locations. Optimal placement remain largely unexplored. Unknown impact on power, SNR, rate, and energy efficiency. In this work, introduce the topology-aware evaluations. As a result, several important questions remain unanswered. Because of the existing study, here are the several questions remain unanswered. First question: does placement influence the performance comparison? Second, where should an IRS be deployed for maximum benefit? Third is it really always best at the midpoint? And fourth, and how does deployment affect energy efficiency? To address this question, this research introduces a topology-aware framework for IRS versus DF relay analysis. The main objective of this study is to determine how deployment topology affects the performance trade-off between IRS and relay communications. To achieve these objectives, here are the following key tasks were performed. Here are the following tasks were performed. First is to analyze transmit power versus replacement. We're going to transmit power requirements and analyze under varying node position. Second is to evaluate destination offset effect. Third is we're going to use a perform 10,000 Monte Carlo simulation. Fourth, identify optimal placement position. Fifth, to generate deployment heat maps. Sixth is to compare energy efficiency and validate baseline results. In terms of the system model, this slide illustrates the communication system considered in this study. This system consists of a source here, and then the destination, and an intermediate node that can either be IRS or the DF relay. Three wireless links are involved. First is the direct source to destination link here, and then second is the source to intermediate link here, and then the third is intermediate to destination link here. The simulations uses the 3GPP or band micro, or what we call the UMI channel model, path loss model operating at a carrier frequency of 3 GHz with bandwidth of 10 MHz. The primary variables investigated are the position of the intermediate node and the relative geometry between all communication devices. The research methodology consists of 6 major phases. The first phase perform a distance sweep where the intermediate node position is varied along the communication corridor. Second is it investigates the effect of vertical destination offset. In the third phase, Monte Carlo simulation with 10,000 random network deployments are performed to ensure statistical robustness. Fourth is the phase identifies optimal placement location. And fifth is the phase construct two-dimensional performance heat map to visualize favorable deployment regions. And finally, an energy efficiency analysis is conducted to understand the practical implication of topology-aware deployment. All simulations were implemented in MATLAB based on an extension of analytical framework proposed by Gerson and Delcolis. Let's now start with the key findings. First is the placement behavior. One of the most important findings of this study is the IRS and DF relay exhibit fundamental different placement preferences. For the IRS, the best performance is achieved when the surface is placed near either the source or the destination. The reason is that IRS perform depends heavily on the cascaded propagation path, and placing the IRS close to one endpoint significantly strengthens one of the communication links. In contrast, the DF relay performs best near the midpoint because the relay must successfully decode and retransmit information through two separate hubs. In the diagram in this slide, these charts show the deployment alone can alter the required transmit power by more than 15 decibels, highlighting the importance of topology-aware design. Next is the Monte Carlo and heatmap results. To evaluate realistic deployment condition, a Monte Carlo simulation consists of 10,000 random placement was conducted. The result indicates that IRS-assisted communication outperformed DF relay in approximately 68.4% of all tested scenarios. On average, IRS achieve a median transmit power advantage of about 3.2 decibels. The heat map analysis further revealed that the IRS favorable region are concentrated near the source and the destination, whereas really favorable region are generally located around the center and the deployment area. These findings demonstrate that topology alone can strongly influence which technology becomes the superior solution. Another interesting observation in the study is that it involves energy efficiency. Although IRS often requires low transient power, it does not necessarily achieve better energy efficiency. This occurs because large IRS deployment contains many reflecting elements, each contributing additional circuit power consumption. As a result, some scenario exhibits what is called an energy efficiency reversal, where a DF relay achieves better overall efficiency despite requiring higher transient power. The study also found that the optimal IRS size is topology dependent, ranging approximately 45 to 200 reflecting elements. Therefore, both communication performance and hardware power consumption must be considered during deployment planning. In conclusion, with the research of the paper, to conclude, this research demonstrates that deployment topology is a major factor in determining the relative performance of IRS and DF relay technologies. First, IRS and DF relays require fundamental different placement strategies. Second is IRS perform best when deployed near either endpoint, while DF relay achieve optimal performance near the midpoint. Third is the Monte Carlo analysis shows that IRS outperforms DF relay in roughly 68% of random deployment. Fourth is that the results also reveal that energy efficiency ranking can change depending on both deployment location and IRS size. Overall, the findings suggest that future wireless network design should adopt topology-aware deployment strategies rather than relying on conclusions derived from a single fixed placement. For more information, you can reach out to the author. Again, my name is Marvin Vendera, and here is my email or my institutional email address, together with my co-author, Dr. Aaron Don M. Africa, and here is the email address. To know more about my research or my research area study, you can access my GitHub repository. You can you can access it using the github.com/Marvin Vendera. And then about the study of the paper, I have here is the public here is the repository of this research paper. You can access the PDF file, you can access the MATLAB simulation and the Word file. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Again, this is the end of my presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.